Title: ɡlʌv, the hand's trusted protector. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word ɡlʌv. A ɡlʌv is a covering for the hand, typically made of fabric, leather, or other materials, designed to protect the hand and provide a better grip. It's a term that signifies the hand's trusted companion. Pronunciation: pronouncing ɡlʌv is straightforward. ɡlʌv, with a soft G and a short U. Use in a sentence. For example, the ɡlʌv kept the hands warm in the cold winter weather and provided a secure grip on the steering wheel. Importance: gloves are essential for various activities, from working in harsh conditions to adding style and comfort to one's attire, making them a versatile and functional accessory. Conclusion: in summary, ɡlʌv is a word that represents the protection and utility of a hand accessory we often take for granted. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, remember the importance of the ɡlʌv in safeguarding our hands and enhancing our daily tasks.